The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Sur in Region 5 or Bicol region. The province of Camarines Sur has the municipality of Pili as its capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 5 or Bicol region. It is composed of 2 cities, 35 municipalities, and 1,063 barangays. It was founded on March 19, 1919. The total land area is 5,511.90 kilometers squared or 2,128.16 square miles. Camarines Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by San Miguel Bay, Philippine Sea, Lagonoy Gulf, Albay, Ragay Gulf, Quezon, and Camarines Norte. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Sur. We have the municipality of Baao with 30 barangays, municipality of Balatan with 17 barangays, municipality of Bato with 33 barangays, municipality of Bombon with 8 barangays, the municipality of Buhi with 38 barangays, the municipality of Bula with 33 barangays, the municipality of Cabusao with 9 barangays, and the municipality of Calabanga with 48 barangays. We also have the municipality of Camaligan with 13 barangays, municipality of Canaman with 24 barangays, municipality of Caramoan with 49 barangays, municipality of Del Gallego with 32 barangays, municipality of Gainza with 8 barangays, municipality of Garcetorina with 23 barangays, the municipality of Goa with 34 barangays, the component city Iriga City with 36 barangays. We also have the municipality of Lagonoy with 38 barangays, municipality of Libmanan with 75 barangays, municipality of Lupi with 38 barangays, municipality of Magarao with 15 barangays, municipality of Milaor with 20 barangays, municipality of Minabalak with 25 barangays, the municipality of Nabua with 42 barangays, and the component city Naga City with 27 barangays. We also have the municipality of Ocampo with 25 barangays, municipality of Pamplona with 17 barangays, municipality of Pasacao with 19 barangays, the municipality of Pili, which also serves as the provincial capital, with 26 barangays, the municipality of Presentacion with 18 barangays, the municipality of Ragay with 38 barangays, the municipality of Sagnay with 19 barangays, and the municipality of San Fernando with 22 barangays. We also have the municipality of San Jose with 29 barangays, municipality of Sipocot with 46 barangays, municipality of Siruma with 22 barangays, municipality of Tigaon with 23 barangays, and the municipality of Tinambak with 44 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Camarines Sur in the Region 5 or Bicol region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.